Let me guess how your morning went today. If your morning started with your alarm, then your hand automatically going to your phone, you're not alone. You don't even choose it. You just want to feel awake. So you scroll a little, and somehow that little becomes 20 minutes. Now you're late. Your brain is already noisy, and the day hasn't even started, but you feel behind. Then the self-talk starts. I'm so lazy. I have no discipline. Listen, you're not lazy. You're just starting your day in a way that steals your energy. Today, I'm not going to give you motivational lines. I'm giving you a simple routine. Morning, afternoon, night. So your energy comes back and studying stops feeling like torture. Now, morning. Don't let your phone steal the first win. Most students lose their best energy in the first 30 minutes. Not because they studied too hard, because their brain gets hit with notifications, messages, reels, news, all at once. Your brain wakes up in reaction mode. And when your brain starts like that, the whole day feels rushed. So here's the first change. Super simple. For the first 10 minutes after you wake up, don't touch the phone. Not don't scroll, just don't touch it. What do you do instead? Feet on the floor. Drink water, full glass, wash your face, open the curtains. That's it. This sounds too basic, but it works because you're telling your brain one thing. I'm driving today, not my phone. If you can, get a bit of light. Balcony, window, outside. 2 to 5 minutes. Not for vibes, it just helps your body wake up properly. And please, don't start your day on fake energy. If you skip breakfast or start with only sugary stuff, a lot of people crash later. Keep it boring. Something with protein. Eggs, yogurt, milk, peanut butter, lentils, whatever's normal in your house. Tomorrow morning target is not a perfect morning. Target is no phone for 10 minutes plus water. If you do only that, you're already ahead. Now, even if you fix mornings, the real problem shows up after lunch. This is where focus usually dies. You sit down to study and your brain feels heavy. You read one line 5 times. Everything feels slow. And then you start switching. Book, phone, tab, message, book again. That switching drains you more than you realize, because your brain keeps restarting every time. So when you feel that afternoon crash, do this quick reset. First, water. Not a sip, proper glass. Second, move for 5 minutes. Walk around the house, stairs, stretch, anything. You're not trying to become fit. You're trying to wake your system up. Third, do one focused study block. One task only. Timer for 25 minutes. No multitasking. No, I'll just check something. And if you're thinking, bro, my phone still wins, good, because we're going to fix that properly. The phone problem is not willpower, it's setup. Your phone is designed to pull you in. New content, new jokes, new drama, new everything. Then you open your book and your brain goes, wow, this is boring. So you escape again. So stop blaming yourself. Just make the phone harder to reach. Try this. Pick one parking spot for your phone during study. Not your pocket, not your desk. Across the room is perfect. Even better, outside the room. Because distance creates that small friction, and that friction is what saves you. Next, notifications. Keep calls from family. Turn off social app notifications. If it's truly urgent, they can call you. Simple. And make your start tiny. Don't say, I will study 3 hours. That sentence scares your brain. Say, I'll open the book and do the first small step. 5 minutes, 1 question, 1 page. Once you start, it gets easier. Okay, now the last piece. Because real energy doesn't get built in the morning. It gets built at night. Night. Stop stealing tomorrow's energy. If you scroll at night, your brain stays awake even when your body's tired. So you sleep late. Or you sleep, but it doesn't feel deep. So set a phone bedtime. 30 to 60 minutes before sleep, phone goes away. If you can't do 30, do 10. If you can't do 10, do 10. Just don't take the phone into bed with you. Then do this quick brain dump on paper. Write 3 small wins from today, even if the day was messy. Find something. Then write 3 tasks for tomorrow. Keep them realistic. Then write 1 worry you're carrying. Just 1. Because when it stays in your head, it grows. When it's on paper, it calms down. And end with 1 minute of slow breathing. Inhale 4 seconds, exhale 6 seconds. That longer exhale tells your body we're safe, we can rest. Wrap up. If you've been tired for weeks, you're not lazy, you're overloaded. And your routine, especially your phone routine, is draining you. So don't try to fix your whole life today. Do this for the next 3 days. Morning, 10 minutes no phone plus water. Afternoon, water plus 5 minutes movement and 1 25-minute sprint. Night, phone bedtime plus quick paper plan. That's enough to feel a real difference. And one important thing, if your tiredness is extreme, you feel dizzy, unwell, or it's not improving, talk to a medical professional. Health first. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend.